Hello, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all to Divya Brahmalok Global Academy, and this is your science teacher, Vedahi ma'am. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is Art Integration Project in Science, and this is a video for class 5th. So, get ready for your art integration project. Here are the details about your art integration project, in which the topic which we are going to discuss, or the topic on which you will be preparing or submitting your art integration project, will be on the basis of the animal world. Now, the topic animal world is divided into two parts, and both the parts are compulsory. Let me explain you the detailing of both the parts. See, as far as part 1 is concerned, you have to prepare a model of any one from the list given below. You have to prepare a model. आपको एक मिनिएचर, एक मॉडल बनाना है. किसका? The options are habitat, birdhouse and bird feeder. You can choose any one from these three and you can prepare a model. Okay? Habitat we have already studied. There are different kind of habitat. Habitat of desert area, habitat of grassland, habitat of the polar region. Whichever habitat is suitable to you, आप उसका एक मॉडल बना सकते हैं. You can also prepare bird house and bird feeder. I have prepared a sample for all the three. You can use those things or those models as reference. Okay? Same to same copy nahi karna. You can always add your ideas and you can use my ideas as reference. As far as part 2 is concerned, collect and write information about the topics listed below and prepare a file. So, here you will be preparing a model, here you will be preparing file. Both the parts are compulsory. And what are the topics? The first topic is migratory birds visiting your state. Identify your state and make a list of migratory birds which are visiting your state and collect and write information about those birds. You can also paste their pictures. And the B portion of part 2 is you have to collect and write information about the state bird and animal of the state in which you were born. ठीक है, आप जिस स्टेट में रहते हो उसका स्टेट बर्ड और एनिमल की डिटेल्स आपको नहीं लिखनी, बट वो स्टेट जहां पर आप पैदा हुए हो वहां का स्टेट बर्ड और एनिमल की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कलेक्ट करनी है. एंड बोथ ए एंड बी दोनों का आपको एक फाइल में सेग्रीगेट करके इंफॉर्मेशन सबमिट करनी है. ओके, सो नाउ take a look at the models which I have prepared. Take a look at this habitat. What can you identify? Can you see the water grass, the crab, the snails, the fish deep inside the water, and yes, tortoise as well. So, what kind of habitat it is? Yes, it is aquatic habitat. Is the picture clear to you? What can you see here? Can you see the jungle animals over here? What kind of habitat it is? Identify the habitat and you can prepare a similar model. Take a look at this desert habitat where you can see the bright sky with almost no vegetation, and you can see camel, the ship of desert. Okay, so this kind of habitat can also be prepared. These are just ideas. You can collect ideas. You can include your own points and your own creativity, and you will be bringing the model to the school. The another kind of project which you need to prepare is, now look at this. This is a bird house which I have prepared from the invitation cards and a used basket, and I have prepared a jute rope. उसका मैंने एक नेट बनाया है and उसमें मैंने ये अटैच किया है, and then I have tied it with a used hanger, एक पतली सी पुरानी सी string, and then उसको मैंने ऐसे एक सपोर्ट पे मैंने लटकाया है. So you can see a beautiful bird nest. Similar kind of bird nest I have prepared using waste thread. ठीक है. So if you wish, आप ऐसा भी कुछ बना सकते हो, and whatever you prepare you need to bring to the school. ठीक है. आपको ये bird nest अगर आप बनाते हो तो वो भी स्कूल में लेकर आना है. I will give you a few more samples. You can also prepare a bird's house or bird's nest. Eventually the bird will prepare the nest on its own, but you can have an initiative. You can have a used cotton and then you can prepare a house like this. Once again you can hang it on a support. ठीक है. So this also can be done, and look at this. This I have prepared from a coconut shell and an old socks. ये देखो पुराने सॉक्स को मैंने एक डोरी से बांध दिया, उसकी कैविटी में मैंने एक कोकोनट शेल लगा दिया, एंड देन उसको मैंने एक सपोर्ट पे टांग दिया. सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी डन. You can even use your old toys. You can simply decorate them, and this can be used by birds to prepare the nest. You can even fill the seeds inside this, and this can be used as bird feeder. So these were a few ideas about the bird nest and bird feeder. But nowhere you will be using plastic. Whatever model you choose to prepare bird's nest or bird feeder or the habitat, you will be using eco-friendly materials. Means any material other than plastic is allowed, but आप प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. Now as far as part 2 is concerned, you will get so many information about the migratory birds, your state bird and your state animal on Google and on any other book related to GK. So you will be collecting information. If you wish, you can draw the pictures of the same, and you will be preparing file, and whatever information you are writing, it should be original. Original in the sense कि आप जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिल रही है वो एज इट इज़ आप कॉपी नहीं करेंगे. आप पैराग्राफ बना के या पॉइंट वाइज जैसे भी चाहे आप अपने आप लिखेंगे. ठीक है.